Watch this all the way through, because this isn't motivation, this is a reset. By the time you're done, you'll carry yourself with a level of confidence that makes people stop and ask, "Who the hell is that?" You weren't born insecure, you were trained into it. Think back, you entered this world loud, fearless, demanding. Then, slowly, you were told to sit down, be quiet, don't take up space. And little by little, you started shrinking. You second-guessed every word, every step, every part of yourself, until you became polite, safe, forgettable. If you want unshakable confidence, that ends now. And it starts with one brutal choice. Stop believing the voice in your head that whispers, "I'm not enough." That voice was never yours. It's your mother's fears, your teacher's sarcasm, an ex's rejection, that one moment you got laughed at for being yourself. None of it belongs to you. Here's the truth. Your insecurity isn't real. It's conditioning. So the first step is mental detox. Ask yourself, who told me this was true? If the answer isn't you, burn it. Confidence isn't about loud words or flashy moves. Real confidence, dangerous confidence, comes from ruthless self-respect. Most people don't have it. They live off likes, validation, empty compliments. They say yes when they want to say no. They let people walk all over them, then wonder why they don't feel powerful. Here's why. If you don't respect yourself, nobody else will. Confidence starts in private. How you talk to yourself, what behavior you tolerate when no one's looking. Weak people call it arrogance. Strong people call it standards. The truly confident don't hope to be treated well. They train people how to treat them. And if someone can't handle it, they're gone. Quiet, not violent. Controlled, not toxic. But your silence should cut sharper than most people shouting. Ask yourself, when was the last time you looked someone dead in the eye and said, "I don't accept this energy"? Probably never. Because no one teaches you this. Self-respect is a skill. And once you build it, you become untouchable. From here on out, don't just look confident. Carry standards so unshakable that your presence speaks louder than your words. And here's the next switch. Controlled arrogance. This isn't about being better than others. It's about knowing no one is better than you. Not the rich, not the beautiful, not the powerful. Controlled arrogance is walking into a room knowing you don't have to prove a thing. It's when you don't chase, you attract. You don't explain, you execute. You don't try, you already know. Let people call you cocky. Let them whisper. Good. It means they notice. You don't need everyone to like you. You need the right people to respect you and the wrong ones to regret underestimating you. And here's the secret. The people at the top, they've mastered this quiet dominance. They don't beg, they don't chase, they move with intention, speak with precision, and stay silent when others scramble for attention. Now let's kill the last chain, rejection. Most people treat no like death. One ignored message, one failed attempt, and they fold. But true confidence isn't immune to rejection. It feeds on it. Every confident person you admire has been rejected more times than you've even tried. They just didn't stop. Rejection isn't proof you're unworthy. It's proof you're in the game. So chase rejection. Send the message. Pitch the idea. Ask the question. Speak up. And when no comes, stay calm, because when rejection no longer breaks you, nothing can. This isn't about pretending. This is about remembering who the hell you were before the world trained it out of you. Stop shrinking. Stop apologizing. Stop waiting for permission. From now on, carry yourself like someone who's already won.